Alden Richard, the newly movie king after their successful movie Hello Love Again with Catherine Bernardo. Si Alden ang sumunod kay Dingdong Dantes dahil nalagpasan na ng movie nila ni Alden Richard ang movie nila ni Dingdong at ni Marian na Rewind. Congratulations, Alden Richard, the new movie king. So, magbasa tayo ng mga komento dito ng mga netizen na ang dami naman talagang nagmamahal kay Alden Richard. You deserve the crown. Congrats. Congrats, Kat din. Deserve. Congrats, Alden Richard. Deserve. The newly king of movie is not correct. A more appropriate praising would be. Ano daw? Sabi niya? The new king of movies, if referring to someone who has recently achieved prominence in the film industry, the newly crowned king of movies, if emphasis is on a recent accolade of or recognition. Ding Dong is he's not my idol. Sorry, I can serve two masters. I choose only one man for my idol. He's Daniel Padilla forever. May ano din dito si Daniel. Congrats Alden. And thank you Lord. Congrats to Mr. Alden Richard for being the newly movie king. You truly deserve it. Congratulations Alden. Congrats Alden. Deserve. Alden Richard is just claiming this throne again. Remember, hello love, goodbye. Ay king na siya until Rewind movie snatch it from him. Dong only holding the title for only a month, not a year, and Alden holding it for 4 years, and now he's holding the movie king again. Congrats, Sir Alden. Deserve ka po. The best po, Tisoy. Congrats. Wow, sana all good job like this couple. Kat din, enjoy your hearts and good idea forever. Love, 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 Kat din. Congrats, Alden. Congratulations, Alden. You deserve it. Congrats, Alden. Deserve. You deserve all, Tisoy. Wow, very big. Deserve, Alden Richard. Alden Richard, you deserve. Not only newly king of movies but also king of her heart. You're the best, both of you, Alden and Kat. Congrats. So, ang dami dito nagpaabot. May picture pa sila ni Kat na ang ganda, ang cute. Na nag-ano sila ng heart sign. Congrats and God bless, Alden. So, yun lang mga marites. Ang daming nagpaabot ng congratulatory message. Comment dito kay Alden Richard, the newly king of movie. O, diba? Siya na ngayon ang holder ng newly king of movies. So, comment down kayo dyan kung ano ang say nyo dito. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi. Caridad Official TV hanggang sa muli.